Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you the definitive step-by-step guide to pairing any smartwatch with an iPhone using the HiWatch Pro app. This method works for almost all models because the system is very similar. My first tip: if you already have the app installed, delete it and download it again so we can set everything up from scratch together. 1. Download. First, search for HiWatch Pro in the App Store and install it. It only takes a few seconds. When you open the app, it's vital to accept access to Bluetooth and location. Regarding activity tracking or health data, you can choose according to your preference. I usually skip them. Just follow what I'm doing on the screen. If it asks you to register, you can skip this step to go directly to the main menu. Now, check the technical name of your watch. Go to the watch menu, look for settings, and then the about or information. This code is your smartwatch's ID. Next, go to the app, look for the connect or bind device option, and select your watch. If for some reason your watch doesn't appear, try a factory reset on the device. If the problem persists, check your iPhone's Bluetooth settings. If the watch appears there, tap forget this device and try searching for it again from the app. Make sure to accept the pairings and notifications or prompts when the pop-up appears. Finally, go to the notifications section in the app and toggle on the alerts you want to receive on your smartwatch. And that's it. Your smartwatch is now fully synced. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment. See you in the next video.